knowing where you're going on the trip beforehand is a little bit scary, but really exciting because you don't know where the adventure begins. You don't know where you're going to spend it, and also who you're going to spend it with. So everything is just all excitement. Yeah.
I didn't know that 15 people can get together so well in just 2 days.
Starfish.
Actually, I'm a shy person, so interacting with them boost my confidence.
It was cool to share with strangers things that you don't share with the people you know.
I've learned a lot of life lessons and reality checks. So yeah, that's the most memorable for me.
It's really nice sometimes to be alone and be mixed with other people that you don't know. And of course, appreciate the nature. That you are away from the city, no electricity, no connection online.
I think it was mostly memorable because of the people.
I want to let go of something that is painful for me. Then, the purpose of this trip is to relieve all stress.
Hey, buddy!
It's just awesome not knowing everything. So just go with the flow and you'd be surprised what you're gonna get. That's what makes the journey great.
It was scary because until the last minute I was thinking, what if it was a scam? It's actually fun and I'm actually thinking when I'll book my next trip.
Every minute is memorable because these people have different stories with their life.
I got new experiences that I would take with me wherever I go. This is a trip that is full of surprises.